what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know I ain't seen y'all in a while. Well, it ain't been that long, but I ain't seen y'all in a while. I had a video. I did go to Adam LZ's open house, but somehow I deleted all my videos, so I couldn't post that. But anyways, today we got an 08 Honda Civic, and we're gonna be doing the starter in it. So let's get right on into it. To our tutorial. By my sidekick over here. Gotta take the starter out. Gotta take the axle out real quick. So we're gonna watch him do that. Say what? I know that's real. JBD 40. You got mine. I know. Grab it. Axle has been detached. Alright. Now that the axle's done, the first bolt is right there. You got two bolts, one right there, it's all covered in mush or whatever you want to call it, and then there's another one right there in the back. Right there. So I'm gonna take those two out because you guys can't see, and then yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so quick update. We just got it out of here. Ooh, spooky. We just got it out of here. Starter's gone. There we go. Okay, so there was two screws, one right here, and on the top there's a really long one. Like that at the top. Gotta take your plug off, and then your power source, which is that gold one. That's a 12mm, and then it comes right out and falls right through here, literally. So yeah, guess I'm gonna throw the new one in, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a second. All right, so we got that bit in there, brand new fool. Everything back in, all the bolts in, connections, everything's connected. What the hell? Why is he still up there? Here. Boom. So we're gonna let it back down, let him put the axle back in, connect the battery back, and then yeah, we gonna be back when I get, hey, go ahead. Okay, so a little change of plans. That other axle was the boot was busted, so I had to contact my customer, let them know, see if they want to change it, and they did. So we're gonna be putting a new one in there, not that old one. And unfortunately, my brother has left, so looks like you guys are gonna be watching me put this back. Let's get it. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, put the axle back in, let the car down, put the wheel on, and now all we have to do is connect the battery. Let's connect the battery. That's connected. Where's my 10mm? For the ones who don't know, when you're doing a starter or alternator, this is your best buddy right here to do. Take the battery off. Unless you want sparks and flames and all of that other crazy stuff. Alright, so let's see if this thing start up. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, then I did something wrong. And then all y'all gonna talk trash about me in the comment section. It didn't start. It started. Started right up. One more time. Ooh, that bit. Huh? On this? Alright guys, so that worked. We fixed the starter. You guys see me do that, and you see that thing started up. So I guess that will conclude today's video. Thank you all for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that little notification bell, because we need that. We're trying to grow. I need y'all to grow. So thanks again for watching, and yeah. Boy.